What up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, and today we're doing an unboxing, and pretty cool unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the Osmo Pocket, which is from DJI, and it is an awesome little device that allows you to create content, video content, through your phone, through this device, with 3-axis gimbal, stabilization, and more. And it's just super small, and it's always amazing to see these products get smaller and smaller as we go forward in time. I'm just amazed on how that works. So let's take a look at the Osmo Pocket really quick. This is it, of course, 3-axis gimbal, so you know it doesn't matter how you have your hand. You know, if you got a little shake going and stuff like that, you can also attach it to devices like your drones and your hats and stuff like that, and have some really cool stable video. And we could definitely do some tests with the Osmo 7 or the Osmo Pocket and maybe a Hero 7, but I know there's a few out there that have already done that. So this is just simply the unboxing. So let's get straight to it. We've got the Osmo Pocket right here. And now this is a $300, I think at the time it was $350 on there, but you know, watch out for specials and deals like that. So here we go. I did talk about it with the folks at DJI at CES, so it was pretty exciting there. So let's do that. All right. So now here's the Pocket right here, and simple box. I mean, it is small. Look at that. It's very small. It's smaller than your phone, and weighs about the same weight as a phone, I would say. So let's open this up. There's some plastic film I took off here earlier. So we'll open that up, and then we got the contents right here. We have the Osmo Pocket, which is plastic. We'll start with that. And excuse me. Hold on a second here. There we go. All right, so we'll take it out of the plastic here. And as you can see, it's a nice little carrying case. The carrying case allows, so you know you don't bust this gimbal thing, because it's pretty sturdy, but it is a little bit fragile, so you got to watch out for that. So keep this close by. And here we go. We'll pull this out of the case here, and this is the Osmo Pocket right here. Now we've got a little yellow piece right here that we can pull off. That's the foam to make sure that the pocket does not get crunched. So there we go. That's pulled off. Then we got a piece of film here on the lens, which you need to take off as well. There, got that. Here we go. This is oh, we got one more piece right here. This is where the screen is, and so you can see what's going on right here. And then we've got a area where we're going to be putting the USB, our USB designation, whether it's USB-C or USB or Lightning, excuse me. And as you can see, we got a connection right here. So this is what's really cool, is the fact that if things change, then they'll have a new adapter for it. So then they might have other adapters. Maybe you'll be able to hook it up to your computer through USB-A down the road. Not right now. So, but anyway, that's that. We're not going to try and turn it on right now. We're just going to set that right there. Let's finish out the unboxing here. We got a small piece right here that we're going to pull out, and inside there we have the USB. This is a USB A to C cable, so this runs off of USB-C, not from here but from down here. And what's really cool about this is there's adapters you can get, including a microphone adapter. We also have the mini card adapter right there. So all right, so we have the USB A to C cable. We've got a nice little wrist lanyard, so we don't drop our Osmo. That's very important. And here we go. These are the little dongles, I guess you could say, for whatever device you choose to put this device on. And you don't need to put it onto a phone. That's the best part. So this is the Lightning connector, and of course that'll just go in to the side like so. And we'll pop that out. Look, I already lost it. Well, you know. And down on the bottom, get it out here. Come on. There you go. We got the other adapter, and that is the USB-C, not Thunderbolt, USB-C. And I think that's important to say. I don't think it is Thunderbolt. I've not seen any description of it being a Thunderbolt connected port, which I highly doubt. And of course, so once again, that slides in, and that'll look like that for your USB-C device. So we'll put that there. Give me a second as I go retrieve the lightning cable. I'll be right back. So in the box, we still have a little bit more here. So it's on the bottom here. So we have the instruction manual right here on how to use the Osmo Pocket. We've got 2 guides. This is the quick start guide right here. And over here is the disclaimer and safety guidelines. So we'll put that right there for now. And then one last thing, I know I saw it. Maybe it was just the silica gel. Yeah, silica gel. Gotta have the silica gel. So anyway, so that's the Osmo Pocket and all the accessories that you get with the basic model. Let's bring this all over now. So we got the lanyard. We've got, let's move that out of the way. Junk out of the way. So we got the lanyard. We got the cable. We got the Osmo itself, the carrying case, and then the adapters for your phone, or whether you're using Android or you're using iPhone or you're using iPad for that matter. So all right, let's do this. Let's see if this boots up here. We're just gonna put this the lightning in there. We'll snap that in. It's kind of a little bit tough. I don't know if it's totally in or not. I heard a click, so I'm gonna assume that that's it. So we got 2 buttons here. One looks like a record button, one might be the power button. There we go. And it just turned on. It says we want English or Chinese. Is this touch? Oh, this is touch screen. Nice. So say English. And there we are. It's now stabilized. And of course, there's some cool accessories that you can move the gimbal around with, so you can put this onto a stand and then move it that way. We've got a pretty low battery, so we're not going to have too much time to connect this on here. Device not activated, it says down here. So if I hit basically if I hit the record button, it says, hey, there's nothing here that we can that's working. So not activated. I got a case on my phone, but we'll give it a try. We'll see what happens when I plug it in. So the idea, of course, is you plug it in like this. Maybe it'll work with the case. I don't know. Nope, it just misses it. Just misses it. I'll have to take the case off before I can do that. But that's the idea. Now you can go from there. But you don't need the phone right away. You can record it onto the SD card, mini SD card, and be able to do some recording from here. Stabilized recording. You're not seeing this too well, but I'm moving this around, and you're seeing my TV monitor that I look at where my camera is, and with the shake, there's almost no shake here. So I'm really excited about this. So we'll get more of a review on this, but this is the unboxing right now for you to check out. So that was the Osmo Pocket unboxing. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, hey, feel free to contact me over at Geekazine. Think Magazine put in a geek, or geekazine@gmail.com. If you got a product you want me to unbox or review, let me know there as well. There's a whole contact page that you can contact me on there. If you're an Amazon looking for Amazon reviews, please follow those terms of service, because I do not do those types of reviews for PayPal reimbursement, which you're not supposed to do. Not supposed to do it all. So, but we can talk about some other stuff. And of course, you can go over to geekazine.com merchandise over at geekazine.com/merch. Get cool stuff like this and the podcast t-shirt. And of course, we're on patreon.com/geekazine, or tip me one time at paypal.me/Jeff Powers. Everything in the show notes you can do from there. Thanks a lot for watching. This has been the unboxing. Until next time, you guys geek out and take care.